Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce that I have decided to dedicate part of my time to content creation, and I'm really looking forward to be able to create content that's worthy for my followers. So I'm Fridoon, coming from Afghanistan. I did my official studies in AI, artificial intelligence, in China and later on in Europe. So by profession, I'm an AI engineer, and I'm mainly focused on the development of an end-to-end computer vision projects. To spice it up a little bit, I served as assistant to my professor for the past 2.5 or 3 years. So as an AI engineer, I often receive messages from my fellow Afghan developers or the computer science students in Afghanistan from different universities. What is the shortcut way to master AI, or at least to be able to develop an AI project? Which I think is more of like an overnight empire, or it's like an overnight journey from zero to hero, which is not really possible. So their questions into my ambition actually played fundamental roles here for the idea that came to my mind, that why shouldn't I start developing or producing content that would help these enthusiast youth, both from the girls and from the boys, that they get a sort of scientific guide to where they have to start their journey and what are the basic things that they have to cover before even think of developing an AI project, because there are some preliminary knowledge required in order to start with an AI project. So you need to cover a lot of concept in math, and then what programming language you need to master it, and then kind of types of different libraries that you have to use, tools, and so on and so forth. So the main goal behind this video, as my first video that I'm posting online, is to give you a general introduction to the paradigms of videos or the paradigms of my content that I would be producing and posting that on my social media, whether that's Facebook, YouTube, or let's say Instagram, TikTok, or whatever other social media out there. So the first thing I would do in my content is all my contents are AI related. So I'll be covering some of the recent development in AI. I'll be producing content that would cover the weekly or bi-weekly development in the AI world. And there are even some very interesting and technical topics that need to be elaborated in depth. For example, the OpenAI company behind ChatGPT released an open weight model last week. That's called GPT OSS. That's like, I think, released in 2 version. That is even available in platforms such as Olama and Hugging Face, that you can download them. You can even work with them on your local machine, and then if, for example, you want to develop some domestic application that you need an AI machine for that, or intelligent body for your application, what you can do is you can use those models from OpenAI, which is released under Apache 2.0 license, which has copy left, right, that you can change or manipulate the code whatever you want. So I'll be recording videos on those topics as well, but since they are so long for Facebook platform, what I would do is I would do the recording and I'll post them on YouTube, and then I'll provide the link from my YouTube in my social media platform, where the interested people are just able to go there and search, find the content, and they can just learn the general knowledge that I have. The general and also some specific knowledge. that I've shared in my videos. And I will also have a Telegram channel, which I will share the link in the comment below, where you can just be a member of that. You will get the recent update about my videos, or if I write any articles, or I just write about something that needs more elaboration. For example, just like I give you another example. There's a model called Genie 3 that's released by Google also, I think last week. That's able to model 3D world, and I think the application for that Genie 3 is a lot. I mean, sky would be the limit for that. So we just give you a general ideas, and then in the Telegram channel, we all will be able to discuss about that, elaborate more on that, and I get some ideas from you. You get some ideas about me, or perhaps we'll be able to make a strong team in the future so that we can work together on some of the world-class project even. Why not? Because we can do that. So knowledge does not really have any limit. Last but not least, one of the most important momentum that pushed me to start this work is actually to create a collaboration between the different, I could say, Afghan engineers that I know around the globe. So I had a lot of classmates, both in China and also in Europe, that they really have great knowledge in the field of cybersecurity, AI, data science, machine learning, also business, that is business, medicine, I don't know, whatever field, that we could somehow combine them with AI. You know, the AI would affect every industry in the next 10 to 20 years. So we need a lot of this multidisciplinary person that they have the knowledge from all the fields combined, like their domain knowledge and also the AI knowledge, or at least we need a strong collaboration between teams of people who can have a good knowledge. For example, let's say in computer science, and some other groups, they have a good knowledge in medical science. So in order to gap between these two fields, we really need strong people to work together. So one of the main idea, like one of the main momentum, as I mentioned earlier as well, is to create this collaboration among all this community of strong and amazing engineers, Afghan engineers all over the globe. So I hope you stay tuned with me. I'll be seeing you in my next recordings and videos, and you can write your comment down below. If you have any ideas, please share it with me. And we will stay updated on my Telegram channel. I will also keep you posted on the development of my YouTube channel. And I'm looking forward to get the support that I deserve from the community of Afghan and also international audience. So one of the reasons that I'm recording my videos in English is also to have international audience as well. But I'll make sure that I will do the recordings in Dari and even in Pashto if I'm able, to reach more and more people, both in Afghanistan and globally. So I wish you good luck, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. See you then. Bye.